everyone, welcome to my vlog. Today I'm talking about a powerful way to persuade people authority. Let me share a story that changed my approach. A couple of years ago, I was the captain of my high school's volleyball team. We were getting ready for a big championship, and I thought a new training plan could really help us. But my teammates didn't want to change our routine, even though the new plan had clear benefits. They were unsure about switching. I knew I had to find a way to earn their trust and convince them to try it. In his book Influence by Robert Cialdini talks about authority. He says people listen to experts. Basically, when someone who knows a lot about a topic gives advice, we are more likely to follow it because we trust their knowledge. Cialdini also says that people are more likely to be persuaded by someone who is seen as an authority. This is why endorsements from experts or celebrities work so well. For example, health products often have endorsements from doctors or fitness experts because their authority adds credibility. So, how can you use this in your business or job search? Start by building yourself or your brand as an authority. Share your knowledge through blogs, webinars, or talks. If you're trying to close a deal, highlight your credentials, experience, or any endorsements from experts in your field. This builds trust and makes people more likely to listen to you. If you want to learn more about authority, I highly recommend reading Cialdini's Influence. You can also check out blogs and courses on building authority and improving your persuasive skills. Back to my story. I decided to use authority by bringing in a well known volleyball coach who had used the training plan successfully. My teammates trusted the coach's expertise and saw the value of the new plan. With his support, they felt confident to try it. Soon everyone was on board and our performance got much better. We even won the championship that season. Now it's your turn. Use authority in your next business interaction and see the difference it makes. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Share your stories in the comments below. I would love to hear how it worked for you. Thanks for watching and see you next time.